In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating several different ways to repair headphone jacks. This one is not completely broken, but is starting to wear, so I'm just going to reinforce it with some hot glue. Going to run 2 lines down each side, and then run a whole bunch of cross bracing just to give it some rigidity. This is very effective in prolonging the life of your headphones, but it does not help if you run them through the washing machine and dryer, because then it just gums up. Here, just reinforcing the head a little bit, and you can see it has just a nice flex to it. Now for this pair of headphones, the wire has actually ripped and they don't work. If you look closely, you can actually see the wires in the side of the crack here. I'm going to start by cutting it open with a sharp knife. For this part, we are just trying to figure out which color wire goes to which point on the headphone jack, so we don't have to use the tester to figure all of that out. Just cutting it off carefully. Ripping it off. And here you can see we're just looking to see the blue and the red wire, and here's the ground. So we'll just remember which one goes to which part of the headphone jack, and then just resolder that. Here, stripping the wires, separating out the colors, burning off the shielding so that we can solder it. Twisting together the grounds. Just tinning the ends so they will solder more easily. Desoldering the old wires from the jack, remembering which one goes where. Desoldering the ground. I'm just going to add some more solder so it's easier later. I'm going to do that for all the different ones. Okay, soldering them back in place, remembering which color goes where. And the ground. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to remake the end using hot glue. Now just reinforcing this one like the first one, so it doesn't rip or wear out quickly. And that's it. A new headphone jack. Here, let's test it out. Now for this cord, it's actually broken right off. And it's hard plastic, so we're going to start with the Dremel to get into it. Like with the other one, we're just going to get into it just to see which wire goes where. Checking to see which wire goes where. Cutting the end off. Stripping the wires. Tinning the ends, and here is a replacement end. I'm just going to put it all in place, soldering it together. Crimping the wire so it doesn't pull out easy. And that is it.